Hey, my name is Shambhavi Gupta and welcome back to yet another video. Today I am going to tell you about a campaign of Internshala which consists of work from home internships and part-time internships. So, let's get started. So in this one you have to first register. You need to register by giving your email, password, first name and the last name, and you need to sign up. After when you sign up you will get a confirmation email. In your registered email you need to confirm from there, and after that this page will open. So here is easiest internships ever, and it consists of internships in fashion, TV, cashier, and 2000 more. And when you will register, you will get an assured gift, and that gift will be you will get a free resume guide. So this free resume guide will consist like this. It will contain pages and it will help you to build your resume. Okay. After this, when you scroll down, here says what's in it for you. So you will get easy to do internships, intern in 10,000 plus easy profiles such as data entry, content writing, operations, etc. with almost no skills required. After that, big brands and exciting stipend. Intern in fashion, TV, cashew, and 2000 more brands. Also, you can earn an assured stipend up to rupees 1.8 lakhs. After that, assured gift on registration, which is that resume builder which you have already got, and then would be instant access and rewards. You know you don't like waiting. Now, get access to all internships instantly and win crazy rewards up to rupees 10,000. After that, there will be dates, remember. There is an instant early contest. I will talk about that. To apply for that instant access contest, you have the dates 10 to 14th of October. And for applying the internships, you have 15th to 17th of October. Now, what is this instant access contest and win rewards up to rupees 10,000? In this, you need to copy the link, whatever is given here, and you need to refer this internship to others. When they will click on that link and join this internship, then here your referrals will count, and if you have the most referrals, then some awards would be given. And people you refer to must complete their email verification. Fake or duplicate entries will not be considered for rewards, and users who have won the referral reward in the past 4 months will not be eligible for this campaign's referral award. So what are you waiting for? Just go and apply for your favorite internships. So this is all for this video. Till then, bye bye.